So join me this afternoon. I'm out walking so at the HM Tropical in Arenal in Mallorca, and have a quick look at this sky bar on the top floor. Let's check it out. Come and join me. These little booths are absolutely lovely. They've got really big aircon machines as well, so super relaxing in here. I do like this as a nice relaxing chill zone. Okay, let's have a little walk through. So just past reception, I've just walked to the far end of the lobby. Huge, big, lovely seating area. The air conditioning here is super cool. It's lovely. Big access ramp outside for wheelchairs and disabled. A lot of the property looks quite flat, so perfect for disabilities and easy access. Hello. Let's go check out the pool area. So the air conditioning here is lovely. It's super warm outside. So looks like there's two sides to this hotel. We're in the tropical side at the moment, and then we'll whiz over. We're at the tropical side, and we'll whiz over afterwards and look at the other side. Nice big pool. You're right on the beach here. You're right on the front. You can't get any closer than this. There's quite a lot of shops and restaurants just to either side of this big hotel. As you can see, we've got glass balconies, so we haven't got a lot of privacy going on, even if we're on the top floor. I hate glass balconies. I much prefer half glass. Beach access. A little big shaded area. If you want to sit down and get yourself a little bit of cool on. Have a bite to eat and a drink. Private area up here. Accessed by these steps. And all these rooms look like they're getting the shade at this time of day. Yeah. Oh, I'd love to get in there at the moment. I'm boiling hot. The restaurant's closed at the moment, so I can't show you that. Walking through reception area. Check out the sky bar. Let's check out this sky bar, have a quick look. Have a look at the view and see what's going on. So on the 8th floor, we get an absolutely beautiful view from the sky bar. Very pretty. A nice chilled out cocktail here. Or a cool beer. Nice cool beer. Nice windy. There we go. What an absolutely beautiful vista. Nice, awesome. And a plunge pool as well. You can't go far with that. So if you do like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, show some love. You can always press the button and subscribe and follow for more. Okay, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.